विश्वकपमा आयो वीर गोर्खाली विश्वकपमा आयो वीर गोर्खाली विश्वकपमा आयो वीर गोर्खाली विश्वकपमा.
Every single Nepali, 35 million people and millions more of Nepali heritage and Nepalese origin around the world, they will stand proud today. This is maybe one of the best days in their history.